Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am Susan Marlianti. I am from Vocational High School, 3 Sumbawa Besar. I hope all of you happy as well as I feel today. I'm standing here. I would like to deliver my speech under the title Gender Equality. Ladies and gentlemen, before I deliver my speech, I would like to show you all the fact about topic of speech today. I believe that you and I are very familiar with gender equality issue. Some cases related to this issue, such as sexual harassment, sexual exploitation, rapists, human trafficking, domestic violence, and other similar cases almost found around us. In small scope, for example, in family life, we sometimes see how parents more aware about son's role than daughters. Husband holds superpower to wife and all part of domestic area handled by wife. Those are sometimes happen in social life, and we can see and read that all in television, social media, and newspaper. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, talking about gender equality means we talk not only about men and women in sex and physical aspects. Furthermore, it describes about quality, injustice, discrimination, and human rights. In short, gender equality is a situation in which women and men equally hold the same status, conditions, or position, so that rights and potentials for development are fully realized in all aspects of family life, society, nation, and state. Gender equality expected for the full equality between men and women in achieving education, politics, economy, civic, social, and cultural consideration. As we know that the different treatment between women and men affect life, women and men themselves, either directly or indirectly in society. Discussing gender issues is not a woman's problem. Facing men, but gender issues are problems community together, which requires a common awareness, process, and divisions of roles and positions that doesn't ignore rights and obligations, women and men, in families, communities, and other lives. Ladies and gentlemen, in Indonesia, the issue of gender equality is still difficult to be realized in public life. Although this issue become a main demand in almost all countries. But the fact is not easy to achieve because the discrimination based on gender still occurs around us due to the practice and culture of patriarchy in society. This practice often harms women who are often marginalized. Because of the reasons, discrimination and gender equality almost happen in case of marginalization, subordination, double burden, and stereotype of women's position in public life. Ladies and gentlemen, the realization of gender equality and justice is marked by there is no discrimination between women and men, meaning that men and women have rights and obligations, equal positions, role, and opportunity in various areas of life. All of this is based on mutual respect. Respect each other, help each other, complement each other in family life, society, nation, and state. Ladies and gentlemen, addressing the issue of gender equality is indeed a must. Fight for this equality is a consent that must be fought for various parties, whether the governments, non-governmental organizations, actor themselves through maximizing institutional strengthening for the realization of fair and equal development for men and women. Ladies and gentlemen, last but not least, realizing gender equality in essence is in the interest of humanity and the interest of all parties. On a micro scale, gender equality will create happy family, which thing will produce offspring strong, creative, and independent. In the macro scale, gender equality will create a climate of justice, providing as much space as possible for all the nation's children to work and develop their creativity, so that it is hope that nation that will fare noble and dignified. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that's all my speech. Thank you very much for your attention and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.